My name is Robert Buchanan. I'm the founder of ADHERE Technology. COVID has revealed an Achilles heel, a gap in our travel system, and has brought travel to its knees, leaving all of us with the question of can we do better with how we travel? The answer is yes, and I'm going to tell you why, but it might actually surprise you. Since the age of 10, I've traveled as an insulin-dependent diabetic. This meant every single day was a moment of travel for me. Over the past 2.5 decades, I gained some incredible insight to traveling more clean, safe, and smart. And I can tell you, we can do it better, tremendously better. So I decided to put it all on the line and put it to the test. Now to do this, I knew the insight had to be paired with some technical experience and expertise. So I became an engineer and an architect to be qualified to design networks. I then spent 2 years in hospitality to understand the market of travel. And finally, I worked the 3 a.m. shift in luggage and cargo just to better understand how luggage moves. So where does that put the company? My company is focused on the deployment of a sustainable shared use smart luggage network for passengers. With an average of 2.6 million passengers a day, we face some serious problems when it comes to our luggage. Exposure to a variety of germs, lost luggage, overweight fees, along with safety concerns in a public space. All absolute nightmares for anyone that travels with luggage. So what are we doing about this? ADHERE Technology has 2 strong value propositions. First, personal items are where all risk gathers. It's the central point for risk. We want to eliminate those risks by focusing on 4 basic questions. What's inside? Where's it going? How much does it weigh? And is it clean? ADHERE Technology is eliminating these risks with one item we all use. Luggage. With hardware and software integrated on the inside, we're creating the opportunity to track luggage, know the weight in real time, and create a clean, safe space. In addition, our luggage is positioned to be 10 times stronger and half the weight of traditional luggage. So our next value proposition is about sustainability and luggage and travel. US currently produces 29 million pieces of luggage a year, impacting 1 passenger per luggage per year. The airports in the US process almost 1 billion pieces of luggage a year, non-sterile, non-hygienic, and definitely high security risk. The ADHERE shared use network would allow 100 passengers to be impacted with 1 piece of luggage. That's 100 times more sustainable. With shared use, 10 million units of our luggage will take US to 100% sustainability in both production and impact, with the capability of connecting smart luggage to 1 billion passengers a year. This allows us to travel clean, safe, and sustainable. Okay, let's talk traction. We have a working prototype that recently cleared the first stages of TSA's review. Our target is to slim it down by 70%, produce 100 pilot test units, and deploy focusing on PDX and LAX airports. We are working directly with Autodesk Inc. and are in direct conversations with JetBlue, Travelocity, Delta Airlines, just to name a few. We are a registered entity with the US government, NCAGE, DHS, DoD, and SAMS. We're also registered to do business with international governments, NATO commercial, and government entities. Our team is made up of a collection of 3 well-traveled professionals with exceptional experience from Hyatt Resorts, PDX Airport, NASA, Michelin, Disney, and Intel. Combined, we've traveled to 24 different countries. That's crazy, right? Okay, let's talk about COVID just briefly. With COVID, people have felt the negative change in travel, but there's also an enormous amount of optimism and resolve to traveling better than before. But people need something tangible, measurable, something physical to change travel, right? Something personal. And luggage is that vessel. This ensures confidence that COVID wasn't all for nothing, that there is some positive to this story. Travel starts at home before anywhere else. It starts inside the luggage. That's the one place where we can feel the change first. With that in mind, our 5-year goal is to position smart luggage to be capable of self-check-in of personal items from the comfort of home, expediting TSA pre-check to its next evolutionary state. In closing, we're not just here to change travel, all right? We're here to redefine it. Cleanliness with such masses is critical to our success with these new ventures. And that means being smart with our luggage. If interested in what we're doing, reach out to us through our website, social media, or direct email. Let's solve these problems so we can get to the next era of travel we've all been waiting for. Thank you.